Hello students, welcome back to the second video of this playlist. So let's get started with the second question of before January 2024 paper. So basically question number 2, it's a mixture, it's a mixture from partial fractions chapter, and then the part B, it consists of integration. So basically you can say it is integration by partial fraction. Okay, so let's get started. So given that the equation, this fraction can be written in this form. Okay, so the first question asks straightly that we need to find out the value for a, b and c. So definitely you can understand that we have to convert this fraction to partial fraction. Okay, so this is, we need to convert the left hand side to a partial fraction. Okay, so at first what we can do, we can multiply both sides by the denominator, right? So if you multiply both sides by the denominator, you will get 3x plus 4 equals to what? 3x plus 4 equals to a times in the denominator, this is what? X minus 2. So x minus 2 will what? Cancel out x minus 2, so you will get 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 1 whole squared. Okay, and then plus the denominator of b is what? 2x plus 1. So in that case, one of the 2x plus 1 will be cancelled out, so 2x plus 1 there, and then x minus what? 2. Okay, then the denominator of c is 2x plus 1 whole squared, so in that case it will get cancelled with the multiple, and you will have c times x minus 2. So for the process of partial fractions, what we know? We know that now we need to substitute the value of x such that one of the constants a, b or c, okay, will get eliminated. How? Let's consider. At first you can see the c is multiplied by x minus 2. So if you put x equals to 2 there, so 2 minus 2 will become 0 and it will get eliminated, right? Again you see there what? X minus 2 is also, it's a multiple with b, right? So in that case, if you put x equals to 2 there, b gets eliminated, because b times 0, it is what? 0. Only a will remain. So in this way, like, you have to see the factors. What are the factors with the constants? And based on the factors, you will choose what to substitute. Okay, like, you cannot substitute anything there. You need to consider the factors and then substitute the value of x there. So let us consider x equals to, let us substitute x equals to 2 there at first. So as I said earlier, b, c cancels out, so you will have only what? 2 times 2, this is 4 plus 5, 5 square is 25. 25a, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to 10. Okay, so the value for a would be what? A would be 10 over 25, this is 2 over 5. We got the value for a. Next we will substitute what? See the factors. See the factors. Look, if I put negative half, a get, this becomes 0, and so a gets cancelled out. It becomes 0, so b gets cancelled out. Only c will remain, and we can easily find out the value for c. So let us consider x equals to negative half. So if you put x equals to negative half, what it will be? Negative half, negative 2. This is what? Negative 2.5. This is negative 5 over 2. Negative 5 over 2 c. It is equals to what? It is equals to negative 3 over 2 plus 4. Negative 3 over 2 is what? Negative 1.5 plus 4. This is plus 2.5. So this is 5 plus positive 5 over 2. Okay, so the value for c, you will get what? C equals to what? C would be negative 1. We got the value for c. Okay, next is the remaining value for what? B. Now you can see that there are no factors remaining. We have already considered all the possible factors, 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now what you need to do, Now you can substitute on like any number, and since we know the value for a and c, so you can substitute any number in place of x now, because we know the value for a and the value for c now. And if you put any number in place of x now, okay, then you can easily find out the remaining constant, that is b, okay, because this b will remain as variable. Okay, let's put a small value like x equals to 1 so that our calculation remains easier. Okay, so if you put x equals to 1, what would be the case? 2 plus 1 whole square is what? 2 plus 1, this is 3 square, 9 times a, so that would be what? 9 times what? A is 2 over 5, 2 over 5. And then b is what? 2 plus 1, this is 3 times negative 1, this is negative 3, so negative 3 times what was the value for b? We don't know the value for b, we need to figure it out. Okay, so it remains as a constant. And c is negative 1 times negative 1, this will become positive 1. And let's see the left side. Left side would be what? If you put 1 there, 3 plus 4, this is what? 7. Okay, so now we need the value for b, so take b to the other side, you'll get 3b equals to what? 18 over 5 plus 1 minus 7, this is negative 12 over 5. This is what? Negative 12 over 5. So negative 12 over 5, we got negative 3b equals to what? Negative 12 over 5. So what would be the value for b? The value for b would be negative 12 over 5 over 3, that is negative 4 over 5. Done. We got the value for a, b, c. All constants are found. Okay, next is for part b. For part b, what we need to do? Okay, so let us write the fraction. What was the fraction there? 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. The mixed fraction. It was a mixed fraction. So we converted this mixed fraction to what? Partial fraction. So x minus 2. X minus 2 times what? 2x plus 1 whole squared. 2x plus 1 whole squared. Okay, whole squared. Okay, this can be written as what? This can be written as a. What was the value for a? It was 2 over 5. 2 over 5 times what? X minus 2. So x minus what? 2. Okay, and then the value for b, we got negative 4 over 5 times what? The value for b is 2x plus 1. The denominator of b is 2x plus what? 1. Okay, and at last the value for c is negative 1 over 2x plus 1 whole squared. Okay, 1 over 2x plus 1 whole squared. And this is the answer for part A. Done. Next is part B. For part B, they said to what? To integrate this mixed fraction. The intervals are given from 7 to 12. Okay, so integration from 7 to 12, the mixed fraction is what? 2 over 5 times what? X minus 2 inverse, right? And then negative 4 over 5 times what? 2x plus 1 inverse, and then minus 2x plus 1 inverse 2, right? Inverse 2 dx. Now we need to just integrate it. So definite integral. So x inverse 2. In integration of x inverse is what? ln x. So here x minus 2. So that would be what? ln x minus what? 2 modulus. and then this is reverse chain rule. So differentiate the part within the modulus, you will get what? 1. So 2/5 divide 1. Use this derivative within the modulus to divide the coefficient 2/5. So it is 2/5/1. This is 2/5. Okay. Then ln twice of x plus 1. Where is ln? Same as before. It will be modulus. Okay. So now differentiate the part within the modulus. What you will get? 2. So negative, and use this derivative to divide the coefficient. So negative 4/5/2. This is what? Negative 2/5. Okay. Then 2x plus 1 inverse 2. The power is what? 2. So in that case, we know that in integration we add 1 with the power. So all terms are being integrated using reverse chain rule. Okay. So 2x plus 1, what? Inverse 1, right? Isn't it? Okay, we got power negative 1. So use this negative like 1 to divide the coefficient. The coefficient was what? Negative, right? So negative 1 over negative 1, and then differentiate what? This is reverse chain rule. So differentiate the part within the bracket, which is what? 2. So negative 1, and then use this derivative to divide the coefficient. So it will be in the denominator. Plus, or it will be not plus c because it is definite integral. Upper limit is 12, lower limit is what? 7. Okay. So now just put the values. What you will get? 2/5 ln what? 2/5 ln 10 minus 2/5 ln 25 and then it will be plus, right? Plus half of, that is 1 over, minus becomes plus, so 1 over 2 times what? 2 times 25, isn't it? 2 times 12, this is 24. 24 plus 1, this is 25. Okay. Then minus the lower limit. It is 2/5 ln 5. Fine. We got ln 5 plus what? Why it is plus? Because the lower limit is getting subtracted. The substitutes of the lower limit is getting subtracted. That's why it will be plus 2/5 what? 2/5 ln 2 times 7, this is 14, ln 15, right? And then it will be what? Minus, because this is plus, so minus 1 over 2 times what? 15. Fine. Now we need to just simplify it. Okay. So how can you simplify it? You got 2/5 ln 10 minus 2/5 ln 25, right? So we can take 2/5 common from these, right? We can take 2/5 common from these log of naturals. So let's take 2/5 common. If you take 2/5 common, put ln, then we need to apply the laws of logarithm. What's that? Here the terms have common log. ln, you see ln, all are log of naturals. So base is equal. Now we know that if the base are equal and if they are in subtraction or addition, for subtraction they get divided, for addition they get multiplied. So at first what? 10. Let us consider the additions. Plus 10, it was positive 10, positive 2/5 ln 10, then positive 2/5 ln 10. So 10 times 15, this is 150, right? 150 will be at the numerator. 150 will be at the numerator, and at the denominator what would it would be? It would be what? In the denominator, the negative ones. 25 is negative 2/5 ln 25, and here you can see 5. So that would be what? 25 times 5, this is 125. 125. Okay. And then the remaining constants. What are the constants there? 1/50 minus 1/30. 1/50 minus 1/what? 30. So what you will get? Negative 1 over 75. You will get negative 1 over 75. Fair enough. Now we need to what? We need to simplify it further, right? P, Q, R are rational numbers. Since they said rational numbers are what? It can be what? Fraction, no problem, right? So we are done with our answer. Just a bit, we can simplify Q. We can write Q is this part, the part within the bracket of ln. So ln 150 over 25 is what? 7 over 6 over 5. Yeah, 6 over 5. This is 6 over 5 minus what? 1 over 75, and that's the value for the indefinite integral. Okay, so we got the value for P, that is 2 over 5. The value for Q, what we got the value for Q? The value for Q is 6 over 5, 6 over what? 5, and the value for R is negative 1 over 75. That's it. And that's the end of the question number 2 from P4 January 2024 paper. Fine.